What's going on, guys? Today we are in Dade City, Florida, and racing FTR number 9. Today I'm going to be racing a YZF 450 Yamaha, and today Max is going to be racing his, what are you racing today, Max?
300EX.
It's 300EX. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited. We just did the practice lap not too long ago. Track looks pretty fun. You know, there's a lot of power sliding, there's some motocross jumps, you know, all the usual stuff. So it's going to be pretty interesting. I'm excited to see what happens. Let's get it. Alright guys, so for this race, today is going to be my second time ever riding this YFZ. So I'm going to take it kind of easy because, you know, my last couple races, you know, you guys know how they went. they didn't end up too good. So I'm going to take it easy. I'm going to try to finish this race. I'm going to take it by about 50% power and just try to make it through. So yeah, I'm going to see how this bike does. It's pretty much completely stock, you know. There's just a few minor adjustments to like the handlebars and stuff, but besides all that, like it's completely stock besides the exhaust. So you know, with that being said, I'm gonna just take it easy. I'm just gonna try to finish the race, and yeah, and we'll see what happens.
30 seconds. I don't like it on my shoulder.
Wow, guys, what a race we had today. I do want to talk about two things real quick. Number one, Garrett's okay. He he had that crash. He walked it off. So yeah, but he sat out the rest of the race, but he was okay. And number two, I also want to talk about this four-wheeler that I saw on fire on the trails. Yeah, I was definitely not expecting to see that at all. That kind of got me off guard. And you know, seeing it was like, wow, like that's crazy. You don't really ever see that, you know, during races. But at the same time, you gotta feel for the owner of the bike. I didn't see who the owner was. I don't know whose four-wheeler that was, but man, my heart goes out to him because I feel really bad to see that, you know, having your four-wheeler just go up in flames like that. It must be terrible. So yeah, that's really all I wanted to say about that. Well, I'm glad I finished my race today. Now next race, I'm gonna be pushing for top 3. I'm gonna try my best to get top 3. We're gonna do a couple changes on the YFZ to make it more race ready. So yeah, that's what we're looking forward to. So I guess that's it for me, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out a lot. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.